finished our briefing here with Lee and Smitty, the load masters from HLS. We've got everything slinged up and ready. The reason we need a helicopter for this job is there's absolutely no access whatsoever, and the tree was threatening to fall over this glass house down here. So we've managed to cut it up, restrain it all. We're aiming for lifts no bigger than a tonne until we burn a bit of fuel and get down to our final lift, which might be 1.3 or 1.4 tonne. Very tricky job, very unique, but through our safe work method statement, the way we're going to do the job, we're confident we can get it done safely. The chopper's just taken off now.
So when he comes, do you want to just try to see or take it in one go?
Just really take your time, watch where you're going, don't walk backwards.
So we're just down to the stump now on our last lift. I think we've had 13 lifts and we've been here for 48 minutes with 13 lifts. So it's all gone smoothly.